Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Asus Aspire 3 laptop not turning on. If you are having trouble with your Asus Aspire 3 laptop not powering on, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Perform a power reset, unplug the charger and disconnect any peripherals. If your laptop has a removable battery, take it out. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to clear any residual power. Reinsert the battery. If you removed it and plug in the charger, try turning on the laptop again. Check the power indicator light. When you plug in the charger, observe the power indicator light. If the light turns on, it indicates the laptop is receiving power. If there's no light, the charger or a power port might be faulty. Check the charger and battery. Look over the charger for any sign of damage or worn out cables. Consider using another compatible charger to see if the problem continues. If the battery can be removed, try running the laptop with and without the battery to see if that's where the issue lies. Reset the battery. Some Asus Pi 3 model features a battery reset pinhole usually located on the bottom of the laptop. Gently insert a paper clip into the pinhole and hold it for about 5 seconds. After releasing, wait a few minutes, then try turning on the laptop. This can help reset the battery and resolve the charging issues. Check for external device conflicts. Start by disconnecting all external devices, including USB drive, external hard drive, printers, and any other peripherals. External devices can sometimes create conflict that stop the laptop from booting up. After you have unplugged these devices, try turning the laptop on again. Connect to an external display. There's a chance that the laptop is powered on, but the display isn't working. Connect your laptop to an external monitor or a TV using the right cable HDMI, VGA, etc. Once everything is connected, turn on the external display and the laptop. If the external screen shows your desktop or login screen, the problem might be with your laptop's internal display. Inspect for physical damage. Check your laptop for any visible sign of damage like cracks, dents, or loose parts. Make sure to closely examine the power port to confirm it isn't damaged or loose. If you find any physical damage, it's a good idea to reach out to a professional technician for a thorough evaluation. Consider potential hardware failure. If everything else seems fine, there could be an internal hardware problem such as a defective motherboard, RAM, or other essential components. Diagnosing these issues usually requires specialized tools and expertise. In this situation, it's best to get in touch with ACE support or visit an authorized service center for a detailed assessment.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.